This right here is the Apple iPad mini 7th Gen, Apple's latest take on the tiny tablet, and straight up, it might just be the best little gadget you'll buy this year. They say it brings flagship performance and all-day battery life in a super portable package. But after using it daily, I noticed something surprising, and it might change who this thing is actually perfect for. Product overview. So what are we actually looking at? The iPad mini 7th Gen is Apple's newest compact tablet. It's essentially Apple's pocket-friendly iPad experience, a full iPadOS slate squeezed into an 8.3-inch screen that you can comfortably hold with one hand. Unlike the bigger iPad Airs or iPad Pros, this one is all about portability without sacrificing power thanks to the A17 Pro chip, the same silicone that powers Apple's high-end iPhone 15 Pro lineup. So this thing isn't just a small iPad, it's a serious performance machine in a tiny frame. Starting price sits around $499 for the base model with 128 gigabytes of storage. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does this feel day to day? Here's the real deal. With the A17 Pro chip, the Mini absolutely flies. Whether I'm jumping between a dozen Chrome tabs, streaming YouTube in the background, or editing photos, the Mini doesn't blink. Benchmarks show a huge jump over the last generation. We're talking about nearly double the performance in some tests compared to the iPad mini 6. That means more fluid multitasking, faster app loads, and genuinely snappy responsiveness even under load. Gamers will love that it can even run demanding titles like Resident Evil 4 at playable frame rates. Not perfect, but impressive for something this size. And get this, Apple Intelligence features and iPadOS tools make navigating iPadOS feel way more capable than just a fun little tablet. It handles creative work, productivity, and entertainment seamlessly. Whether I was sketching in Procreate with the pencil or managing work documents, it was smooth overall. Features and tech. A17 Pro chip. This is the big brain behind the Mini's performance. It brings a noticeable bump over last year's chip with fast CPU and GPU power that makes everyday stuff feel effortless. Apple Pencil Pro support. Unlike older Minis, this one can work with the Pencil Pro magnetically. That means advanced features like squeeze gestures and hover. It's a huge upgrade if you like sketching, taking handwritten notes, or designing on the go. Connectivity and ports. You get Wi-Fi 6E for faster wireless speeds, optional 5G on cellular models, and a USB-C port with 10 gigabits per second data transfer, great for moving big files in and out of external drives. AI and iPadOS features. With iPadOS 18 and Apple Intelligence, you can do things like summarization, photo cleanup, smart replies, and more, features most users will notice every day. That said, one place where Apple held back is the display refresh rate. It's still 60 Hz, not the buttery smooth 120 Hz we see on Pro models or some Android tablets. Design and build. Aesthetically, this tablet feels premium. It's the same sleek aluminum design you expect from Apple. Thin bezels, lightweight, and solid build quality. Hold it in your hand and it just feels right. It's small enough to use one-handed, comfy to hold for reading or sketching on the couch, and won't weigh down your back. Compared with larger iPads, it's noticeably easier to carry, especially if you travel a lot or commute a lot. Minor gripe, the front camera is still in portrait orientation. That's fine for FaceTime when you're holding it upright, but it can feel awkward when you're using the Mini in landscape for Zoom or Teams calls. Battery life. Battery life is solid, but not life-changing. In real-world tests, the Mini delivers around 10 to 10.5 hours of web browsing and video playback, roughly what Apple advertises. So for most folks, that means a full day of mixed use without needing a charge. And if you're a lighter user, like reading ebooks, catching up on social, or watching Netflix on the plane, you could easily stretch it across 2 days. Charging isn't fast by modern standards, but the Mini does get a good percentage back in 30 minutes. Pros. Great creative support with Apple Pencil Pro. Fast connectivity and USB-C transfers. Reliable all-day battery life. Cons. Display is only 60 Hz, not as smooth as others. Battery experiences vary with heavy use. Final verdict. Here's the bottom line. The iPad mini 7th Gen is an absolute champ in the compact tablet world. If you want something powerful, portable, and fun to use, whether for creativity, casual productivity, or just lounging with media, this Mini delivers. It's the best small iPad Apple has made yet, and for most people, it's worth the money. But let's get real for a second here. If cinematic display quality or super smooth refresh rates are your top priorities, you might look elsewhere. Similarly, if you're all about multi-day battery endurance under heavy use, some larger tablets can stretch further. That said, the Mini's combination of power, size, and capability is uniquely compelling. So if you're a creator on the go, a student who wants a powerful study device, or someone who just thinks bigger iPads feel a bit too big, this is a solid no-brainer. So that's my take on the Apple iPad Mini 7th Gen, a pocket rocket of a tablet that punches way above its weight. What do you think? Planning to grab one or waiting for the rumored OLED update down the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. If this review helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.